Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster sauce. First, begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add 1 finely minced shallot and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté these aromatics gently for about 2 to 3 minutes until they become fragrant and translucent, ensuring they do not brown, which can make the sauce bitter. This step builds the foundational flavor. Next, we'll build the rich base for our sauce. Pour in 1/4 cup of dry white wine, like a Sauvignon Blanc, and let it reduce by about half, which concentrates its flavor. Then, stir in 1 cup of rich heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Finally, whisk in 1/2 cup of high-quality lobster stock. This combination creates a luxurious and flavorful foundation for your sauce. Now, let's thicken and perfectly season our sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a smooth slurry. Gradually whisk this slurry into your simmering sauce. Continue whisking until the sauce reaches your desired consistency, which usually takes a few minutes. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of white pepper for a balanced taste. For the final touches, we'll add freshness and the star ingredient. Stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, which adds a vibrant color and herbaceous note. Then, incorporate 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Its acidity brightens all the flavors. Finally, gently fold in your cooked lobster meat. Serve this exquisite lobster sauce immediately over pasta, rice, or seafood for a truly decadent meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.